Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Heroes of Might and Magic Olden Era game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your chat wheel within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Heroes of Might and Magic Olden Era on your device. And once you are taken into the main menu, you may directly continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, if you wish to modify your chat wheel settings, go ahead and click on Settings. Or you can pause the game and go into Settings as well. From here, you will need to go into the General tab. And now underneath General, you will see the chat wheel settings. Click on the Setup button, and now you will see the various different chat items that you can equip onto your wheel. Just click on any blank space, and then you can equip from the list of available ones at the right. You can have it filled by adding all of these. And as you continue to play the game more, there will be further emojis or chat wheel icons that you can add. Once you are done, you can simply close this and then go back into your game by clicking on the Accept option. Now, once you have unlocked more and more emojis for your chat wheel, you can come back to this page, click on Setup, and then replace any of these with your desired ones from the newly unlocked emojis. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your chat wheel settings on the Heroes of Might and Magic Olden Era game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.